evening, Mr. Faisal and fellow audience. I am Andi Firmansyah, a student from the Informatics Study Program at Universitas Bina Sarana Informatika. I am here today to fulfill the recruitment for the English 1 project. As an informatics student focused and developing solution, I aim to provide a critical opinion on a specific issue affecting our campus and environment. Smoking in campus area, I believe an environment focus on intellectual growth, soul, priorities, health, and discipline. Frankly, I see smoking on campus as a sign of poor discipline and a lack of respect for the shared learning environment. Your university is center for knowledge, innovation, and health. Along smoking, even if related to so-called designated areas, still compression the quality of air for everyone. Non-smokers like myself are constantly exposed to harmful second-hand smoke, which negative impacts your focus and to leads health. A university environment is meant to cultivate critical thinking, not compression of physical well-being. My strong opinion is the university, especially one focus on the future like yours, should aim for a 100% smoking-free environment, not just in designated smoking corners. If we are serious about creating future leaders and innovators, we must promote a culture of total responsibility and health. The space for learning should be completely clean and conducive to maximum focus. Banning smoking entirely demonstrated a firm commitment to the welfare of all students and faculty. To conclude, the presence of smoking area contracts the core value of health and intellectual growth at our campus. Thank you, Mr. Faisal, for listening to my critical perspective. I hope the university can consider a strategic policy. Now let's move to second part of project, where I will dive deep into a topic essential for critical inquiry, the questions word. My name is Andi Firmansyah and this is my English project 1. The topic, the questions word is what I call the key to information. So, why is the specific topic important for use? We live in a world driven by technology and data, especially in our field of informatics. As the slide says, informatics is the core, but this information becomes meaningless if we cannot extract it. Therefore, mastering the question word is not just a simple grammar lesson. It is a mandatory skill for effective problem solving. To guide use through the presentation, here is our roadmap. I call this a critical view, one inquiry. First, we will cover the foundation, the we family. Second, the will do a deep dive into their specific function and context. Third, we will look at the practical application, and common mistakes. And finally, we will discuss the continuous and this reference in IT. So let's meet the We family. These are the critical words to use to build your inquiry to have what with asking for things, your objects, who, for people, where, for location, when, for time, where, for reasons, which, for limit, conscious, and later we will also discuss how. Let's start with the first one. First, what? As the slide shows, the primary function of what is to inquire about things, objects, or abstract concepts. The scope is very wide. We use it with the answer is unknown. This is key for asking for definition or identification activities. Let's look at what in action. For example, in a IT context, we must ask what is the most critical feature of this new software, or what happened to the database. We also use it to clarify technical terms like what exactly do you mean by scalable architecture. Next is who. This is used to identification people grammatically, as note is the subtitle. This is the rule of the subject case. It asking for the subject, the person doing the action. This leads to critical distinction you see on the slide between whose subject and whom object, although whom is becomes less common in modern English. In a proportional context, we use who constantly, who is leading the implementation, or who should eye contact. In both cases, as the slide shows, we are seeking the identity of the person responsibility for the action. Moving of the where, the question word pinpoints plans and position. As informatics student, that is critical. We are just asking where is the office. We are defining the virtual Spartan context and the key usage highlights. We must ask where is the data storage. For example, in an IT context, where is the backup data currently stored? Is it on the cloud or local server? Or as you say in the second example, where did the network traffic spike originated from? The is essential for troubleshooting in security analysis. Or fourth word in we. This pinpoints time, depth, or duration. As the slide shows, we have two main query and specific time query asking for a present movement, like when did the server restart, and the duration query asking how long something takes. This is crucial for project management. Let's look at when in action. We make for specific depth. When is the next system backup schedule, or we make as for an exact moment of failure. When did the unit authorized user access the server. We also use in the find the best time, such as where. When is the best time to run large scripts? Next is why. In my opinion, this is the most critical question. It seeks the reason or the cause for IT professionals. This is the heart of root cause analysis. We don't just fix bug. We must understand why the bug happened. The answer is not almost always begin with because or due to. In our cause analysis, we ask when did the server shut down? Was it a power source of a memory leak? We also ask why to understand technical decision. We are to use the Java framework instead of Python. This seeks the technical motivation. Now we look at which is used for inquiring about limited choice. The critical distinction you see on the slides. What is for an open, unlimited set, which is for a closed definite set. You is which when you are selecting from a no list. Indexation masking, which is the key, which server should be pertains the primary or the backup. The opinions are limited to two or which programming language, Python, Java, or C++ is better. The opinions are limited to three. This forces a selection. Your final word is who. Who inquiries about the manner or way an action is performed in seeks the method or process, but how is also very facet. As the slide show is combined with other word to asking about quantity, how many, frequency, how often, or quality, how well. Let's analyze the matrix to understand the method. We asking how does the encryption algorithm work. To understand quantity, we ask how much bandwidth do we need, and understand frequency, we ask how often should we perform penetration testing. Before we conclude, let's do a critical review of command mistake first. Confirm what with which the correction is always used with for a close choice. Second, consume who and whom. The correction whom is for the object, explicitly informal wording, and third, failing to include of preposition when as well where. The correction where requesting in on or to be accurate. This brings me to end. My key takeaway is that mastering the questions word is not just grammar, it's a critical thinking skill for problem solving in IT. Thank you, Mr. Faisal. Your critical attention. I am now happy to open floor for question, comment, or alternative perspective you might have.